So I just want to talk about this beautiful wig, so stay tuned. I'm going to be installing it, as well as just kind of showing you some up close and personal pictures of the wig. I absolutely love it. I love the length. I love the breathability of it, if that's a word. It's 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and an adjustable strap. So stay tuned with me. Let's talk about it.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
Hey all, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So I wanted to bring a quick review of this wig unit that I am wearing. The wig unit that I'm wearing is from the Freetress Equal Lace Front unit. It is from another Divatress wig that I got, very inexpensive, and this is how it looks. It is called the Freetress Equal Lace Front, what is it? Oh, it's the Layla. I have not seen this one reviewed on YouTube, but this is how it looks if you are looking for it. And I got mine in the color PB350. So as you can see, there is coloring at the tips, kind of like a, I would say like a burgundy like coloring at the tips. It is pretty long. I want to say it's about 26 inches, just like the last wig review I did. It is a shake and go, so you pull it out, you shake it out, you don't have to comb it out, and you go. I just wanted to kind of show how it looks. The shipping from Divatress is really, really quick. They are very, very friendly. And so many options from Divatress. There are quite a few websites like Divatress, but Divatress, I really like them because of the what's well known and the quick shipping. Unit is so entirely soft, absolutely no smell to it. It is a synthetic wig. There is shedding on it, and I think it's because when I cut the lace, I cut a bit of the hair kind of on accident. The lace does go from ear to ear, so it's very nice. The wig fits really, really tight. As you can see, I still kind of got to get the lace front correct. If I can just kind of zoom in. But what I'm probably going to do is pull a little bit of my hair out and kind of brush it up. I kind of like wearing wigs, especially when they have like lace. When it's more of a synthetic wig, I like to wear a little bit of my hair out because it kind of makes it a little more natural looking. So I still gotta work with it, but I really just wanted to bring this video to you all. I am experiencing some shedding even right now, and I don't really think it's from me cutting the lace. I just think that it's a curly lace wig and it sheds. There are hair instructions on here. This is the little card that it comes with. Hair instructions that you can wash this hair. You want to brush out the tangles before you start washing. You want to comb it from the bottom to the top. You shouldn't brush it. You should finger comb all the tangles. And then fill the sink with a large container of lukewarm water and add synthetic wig shampoo and swish it around. Add the wig conditioner and allow the fibers to absorb it and kind of rinse it through thoroughly and just hang to dry. Just kind of gently squeeze the water out of the wig and don't rub it or twist the wig. Pat it dry on a clean towel and just kind of let it kind of air dry. That is about it. It does say that this is curl iron safe. I don't know why you'd want to get an inexpensive wig, curly wig, and curl it or flat iron it straight, but just so you know, you can put heat up to 400. See what else about this wig. I think it is a bit too long for me as usual, but I'm gonna leave it just for now. But this is how it kind of looks in the back. I love these synthetic wigs from Divatress because they are so entirely lightweight. They are believable. They look like real hair. They have no smell. and it's just something that you can do quick, get up, go with this. So I'm really enjoying wearing these wig units. I get a lot of compliments, and I have not actually worn this one out, so I won't say that yet about this one. What else? I want you guys to kind of see. Yeah, here we go. You can kind of see everything that's going on here. Like I said, I kind of want to work with the lace in the front just a little bit more, and bring out probably a little bit of my hair, you know, right here. I don't want to deceive you that this is looking like so extremely natural. It actually is looking really natural right now, because I did actually add a little bit of and I think I have it on film, that I put a little bit of this black shadow that I have in my Smoked Urban Decay palette. It's a very black shadow in there that I put right at the front there, and then put down my baby hair. So yeah, so this is pretty much the review about the wig. I will have links to this Layla wig. I will have discount codes. I will have everything that you need in the down bar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure that you put it in the down bar. And that is it. This makeup look will probably be either before or after this video, so make sure that you stay tuned and look out for this makeup look. So that's that, and I hope you enjoyed it, and see you all in the next one.